Birds keep damaging crops? Farmers cannot guard fields 24/7? Traditional scarecrows aren't effective anymore? Introducing the solar-powered smart scarecrow. Hi, I'm Noor Sayafini and today we're talking about this solar-power smart scarecrow project. Let's go! This project is powered by solar energy and produces motion and sound response when motion detected. Here are the components used. Solar panel, Arduino Mega 2560, DC-DC buck converter module, TP4056 charging module, DC motors and buzzer. How does it work, you may ask? Well, first, the solar panel charges the batteries through the charging module. Then, when the PIR sensor detects movement like birds, the Arduino wakes up the system. After that, the DC motors move both arms, and a buzzer sounds to scare away pests. This system is simple, automatic, and energy efficient, don't you think? There are commercial bird repellent systems available, but most are expensive, require constant power, or only produce sound. Compared to them, my design works with no electricity bill, has real movement plus sound, uses cheaper components, can be repaired easily. The product is solar-powered automated scarecrow for farmers to protect crops. The price is affordable, low construction and maintenance cost compared to commercial units. It is suitable for paddy fields, farms, and rural agricultural areas. Also can be distributed to agricultural shops or local cooperatives. This project was promoted through demo videos and social media. Lastly, smart farming doesn't always need expensive technology. Sometimes, simple ideas can help protect food supply and support our farmers. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.
Automatic metal collection robot using Arduino Mega 25060 and Bluetooth with 5V electromagnetic bar.
By Sofia Fahima binti Hafizan.
Ever stepped on a staple? Ever felt annoyed to recollect messy fallen screws? Powered by an Arduino Mega 25060 microcontroller, the robot is equipped with 16 electromagnets that can attract ferrous metal fragments from the ground. Its mobility allows it to navigate workshop areas autonomously, collecting metal pieces such as nails, screws, and wire clippings. Here, I will put some small metal fragments for the robot to pick up with the 16 electromagnets equipped on all sides on the bottom of the robot. To control the robot operation, we will now open the MIT App Inventor. Users simply log in using the username admin and the password robot123. Afterwards, it will bring you to the main screen. First, connect your device via the connect button and choose your HC05 Bluetooth module. Once connected, the robot can now function via the robot on, robot off button. When activated, the robot operation status and time operated is available below the function. Similarly, with the electromagnet activation button, the status indication is available, turning red when powered off and turning green when powered on.
Market competitors.
Currently, in the market, the only metal collecting robot available are industrial scale, which is too huge for a small metal fragment, or it is a hobbyist kit, which must be assembled by oneself. The Robot Magician Lite found on Cytron is an industrial robot arm that is able to change the tool for educational purposes. It's not specific in picking up only small metal fragments as it can change for each function, and it is stated price of 3,380 ringgit. We also have the metal robotic arm with claw gripper at 219 ringgit. However, it must be placed by oneself and it is come in separate parts. Although the claw gripper is capable of picking up small metal fragments, its mobility is limited around it and must be added as an enhancement. This robot is sustainable because the collected small metal fragments can be dropped off at one point together and can be reused, as an example, an old safety pin or metal screws that are needed for a machine part.
At a price of 800 ringgit, this automatic metal collecting robot can be used efficiently and sustainably in metal workshops, laboratories, or even at your own home. Here, the robot is dropping off all of the collected small metal fragments, which can then be recycled for future use.
Kalau kita tengok rek lipat motosikal yang biasa dijual dekat pasaran, kebanyakannya berfungsi secara manual. Setiap kali nak guna, kita kena angkat, laras dan lipat secara fizikal. Kadang-kadang bila dah letih, nak buka atau lipat balik pun rasa malas. Proses ni nampak mudah, tapi kalau dah buat banyak kali, dalam sehari contohnya, untuk rider penghantaran, ia boleh jadi leceh dan memenatkan. Selain tu, bila kita nak pastikan kedudukan rak tu stabil dan tak longgar, kita kena betul-betul pastikan angle dan kedudukan dia tepat. Jadi ia memang ambil masa dan tenaga fizikal. Jadi saya fikir, kenapa tidak saya automatikkan sistem ni supaya pengguna hanya perlu tekan butang je untuk rak tu bergerak.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later, one eternity later.
Setiap kali saya bawa beg penghantaran yang besar dan berat, saya letakkan di bahagian belakang motosikal, depan rek. Tapi bila rek dalam kedudukan biasa, beg tu akan jadi terlalu rapat dengan belakang badan saya. Jadi masa menunggang saya rasa tak selesa. Jujur, ia memang ganggu fokus masa menunggang. Macam mana kalau rek ni boleh bergerak automatik ke belakang bila beg dah diletakkan supaya ada ruang lebih antara rider dengan beban di belakang? Sebagai penyelesaian kepada kedua-dua masalah ni, saya membangunkan satu sistem rak motosikal automatik yang boleh bergerak ke depan dan ke belakang secara mekanikal, dikawal menggunakan Arduino Uno dan 12 volt linear actuator. Untuk menjadikannya lebih pintar, saya tambahkan ultrasonic sensor yang boleh mengesan objek di belakang. Projek ni saya reka bukan sekadar untuk nampak rare, tapi betul-betul untuk meningkatkan keselesaan dan kecekapan penunggang motosikal, terutamanya mereka yang bekerja sebagai rider penghantaran seperti GrabFood, Foodpanda dan sebagainya. Dengan sistem ni, mereka tak perlu lagi buang masa buka dan laras rek setiap kali nak guna. Dan dalam masa yang sama, mereka boleh menunggang dengan lebih selesa dan selamat.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Adam Luckman from MJII. For my final year project, I've developed the voice-controlled ping-pong ball shooter using a Raspberry Pi with a DC gear motor. The goal of this project is to help ping-pong players train solo using the power of voice command technology. Have you ever tried practicing ping-pong by yourself? It's tough. Many players struggle to train alone because the game needs a partner, or they have to invest in expensive training machines. My project solves this problem by creating an affordable, voice-controlled launcher. This lets players practice hands-free whenever they want, making solo training sessions much more effective and accessible. So, how does it all work? The brain of the system is a Raspberry Pi 4, which acts as the main controller. It listens for your voice commands through a wireless microphone. Once the Pi receives a command, it processes the instruction and gets to work. It activates a servo motor to adjust the direction of the shot, and then a 12-volt brushless DC motor, powered through a relay, launches the ping-pong ball with precision. It's a simple yet powerful combination of components. The operational flow is very straightforward. When a user gives a command like left, center, or right, the Raspberry Pi immediately detects and processes it. In a split second, it signals the servo motor to move the launcher into the specified direction. Once aimed, the DC motor fires the ball, allowing the player to practice returning shots from different angles without ever touching the machine. Now, let's compare this to what's already out there. Manual launches require you to physically adjust the machine or press buttons between shots, which interrupts your flow. This system, however, offers complete hands-free operation using just your voice. This level of automation makes training smoother, more continuous, and ultimately, far more effective for honing your skills. Thinking about the market, this smart launcher can be positioned as a highly affordable and innovative training tool. It's perfect for schools, local sports clubs, and dedicated training centers. We can promote it through dynamic social media videos showcasing its features, live demonstrations that really show off its cool features and grab attention at sporting events, and by making it available through online stores to reach a global audience of ping pong lovers from all around the world who just can't get enough. In conclusion, the voice-controlled ping pong ball shooter is a practical solution that empowers both solo players and coaches by leveraging smart, hands-free technology. It significantly improves training efficiency and makes high-quality practice accessible to more people. Thank you so much for watching my presentation. If you found this interesting, please like this video and follow for more updates.
Do you interested in fishing? Do you have any problem like disabilities such as only have one hand only? Introducing a solution for your problem. Automatic casting and reeling fishing. Rod using Arduino Mega 2560 controllable via push button, also known as fishable. Benefit of this product. It is easy to use. It also lightweight product. And the cost to build this product is low. It uses a cheap but high-quality component and material. All these components have been tested and safe to use. It also gives the users an easy access to the product because of its user-friendly characteristic. This product will be sold on the online market such as Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and also Amazon. Why you should choose Fishable? It is because this product is cheaper than the product in the market. It is also a high-quality product that use all the high-quality material and components. Last but not least, this product is more user-friendly compared to the other product on the market. Smart fishing, no limits.
Hello there. As a parent, have you or your child ever experienced this problem? Does your child often ask for help to arrange their school books, but you're too busy to do it? Or has your child ever been scolded by their teacher for often leaving their books at home? Or does your child not know how to arrange their school books on their own? If yes, say goodbye to this problem. Introducing to you the voice-controlled book compiler rack using Arduino Mega 2560 with a servo motor. This project is a voice-controlled automatic book organizer designed to help students manage their books more efficiently. The system uses voice commands to select the desired day, from Monday to Friday. Once a day is spoken, the Arduino Mega 2560 processes the command through the voice recognition module FYP allocaus and activates the corresponding linear actuator attached to a servo motor. The actuator then pushes the books out from the selected compartment, allowing them to fall into the collection area for easy retrieval. By combining automation, voice recognition, and embedded system technology, this project successfully demonstrated how embedded systems and automation can be used to simplify and enhance daily routines, particularly for students. Step 1. Turn on the switches. Step 2. Say the day you want, Monday to Friday only.
Monday. Monday.
And your books are ready to be collected. Here are the advantages of using voice control. First, hands-free operation. The user does not need to press any buttons or touch a screen, making the system faster and more convenient to use. Second, user convenience. With just a simple voice command, the system performs the task automatically, saving time and effort. Finally, error reduction. It minimizes human errors as the system only responds to recognized and valid voice commands. This project has many benefits, for example, user-friendly design. The system is simple to use, with clear voice interaction, visual feedback through the OLED display, and buzzer alerts. Secondly, efficient book management. The multi-level and compartment-based design keeps books organized according to the school schedule. Finally, time saving. Students can quickly retrieve their books for the selected day without sorting or searching manually. You can get this product for as low as 1,000 ringgit only. This product will be marketed on online platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, as these platforms have a large number of users. All right, we've reached the end of this advertisement. Thank you for your attention and don't miss the chance to get this product as soon as possible.
Do you struggle with cleaning floors every day? Or tired of wasting time mopping after a long day? Imagine a smarter way where your floor clean by yourself. But before we start, I will introduce myself first. Hi, I'm Imtiaz. You can call me Ims, a diploma student from Maharajban Industrial Institute of Robotic and Automation. I developed an automatic floor mopper with AI detection. So, how about the solution? Let's see the video first.
Cheia de cor, silêncio que canta sutil esplendor. Luz na madrugada,
So, that's our project that, as you can see, sorry, my bad, is the product that, as you can see. So the key technology that I use in this product, as you can see, the 5 camera module 3, and following by the main microcontroller Raspberry Pi 4, it followed by the DCG motor and also another motor that used for the movement power window DC motor. The board converter will be used to convert the 12 volt into the 5 volt as it will suitable much better on the Raspberry Pi 4. The L298 and motor driver module and also the BTS 7960 will be used for power up the power window DC motor. Copper sensor it will use for the navigation purpose. So as you can see, people will ask me how it works. So we'll use code as indicator, and this is our robot or our product automatic floor mopper. So as you can see, the robot will detect the traffic cone, which the traffic cone is the indicator in this case, which AI that I train will learn how much the distance of the indicator. So it will move accordingly, and then the mopping mechanism will be activated. So the process is completed. For our project outline, this the 3D drawing of this model. For the sustainability development that used in this product, we have 3. The first one is industrial innovation and infrastructure, which in this SDG is the 9 pillar. The 11th pillar is the sustainable cities and communities, and the last one, the 12th pillar, responsible consumption and production. The 9th pillar SDG, which in this case industry innovation and infrastructure, focus on the promotes innovation by integrating AI and robotic to automate the floor cloning. For the 11th SDG, it will introducing automation in the household maintenance. The project helps build smarter and cleaning living space. And last but not least, the responsible consumption production. The system use energy efficient components and rechargeable battery, which will be minimize waste and also promoting responsible energy use. So the next one is a marketing strategy, which in this case will be the 4P. The first P is the product. The product is the smart AI-based floor mopping robot. The price, it is affordable and also energy efficient home solution. The third P, which place suitable for homes, office and institution. Last but not least, the promotion. The promotion of this product will go to the digital platform and social media. So that's it for now. As you can see, if you want to contact me, you can go to this email and also this telephone number. Thank you very much.
Murid-murid, nanti tolong bersihkan nasi dekat belah situ, ada banyak pokok kat situ. Boleh? Baik cikgu. Susah ni pakai benda ni nak kau pokok situ. Mana ni? Susah lah. Tadi dia gini. Busuk dia lah bau sini. Aduh, takkanlah nak guna benda ni. Baliklah. Aqua trim board controlled by PS interface using Arduino
Hey!